Hello, my name is Alexander Rincon. I am 36 years old. I am studying industrial engineering. I work in Ecopetrol and I live in Barranca Bermeja City. My day starts at 5 a.m. I get up at 5 o'clock a.m. I take a shower at 5:10 a.m. I dress at 5:20 a.m. At 5:30 a.m. I go to work on motorcycle. I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. I eat lunch at 11:30 a.m. At 6 o'clock I return at home. At 7 o'clock p.m. with my family prepare the dinner. At 8 p.m. I enjoy with my kids and wife. At 8:30 p.m. I study. At 11:30 p.m. I go to sleep. Bye.